Welcome to Savitha Dental College Lecturecast Prosthodontics, and today we will discuss about Pontic facings. Pontic facings are nothing but veneers that are placed over metal restorations. There are a lot of variations of Pontic facings, but first let us understand the background behind this. Originally, these facings were designed to suit metal acrylic restorations where the bond between metal and acrylic was purely mechanical, and later on the same principle was used for ceramic restorations also. This is a true Pontic. Here you can observe a longitudinal slot extending from the gingiva onto the lingual surface. And on the gingival surface, the bulk of the gingiva is more, so this permits a lateral extension or a proximal extension also. This resembles a shape of a T, and in the shape of the T, you can also find a small depression in the form of a semilunar shape. Now this will provide the slot over which the metal comes and fits in, and this will provide retention. Next one will be the interchangeable facing. The difference between this and the true Pontic here is the gingival bulk is less and you don't have the T-shaped extension or a proximal flare, otherwise the design is similar. This is a sanitary facing which is similar to a sanitary Pontic where there is no contact with the mucosa. There you can observe a metal bar with a slot and the Pontic with a projection which goes and fits into the bar. This is a pin facing. Here you can observe the black portion, which is the metal, has got two extensions like a pin. The ceramic or the resin part has got a slot which goes and directly fits into the pin. The next variation is the reverse pin facing, which is exactly the opposite, where the resin or the ceramic part has got a pin and the metal has got a slot. This is the next variation, we call it the modified pin facing. Here you can observe over the metal part, a complete gingival porcelain is present. This is a harmony facing which is similar to the previous one, except for the bulk of the gingival ceramic is very less. This is the last variation, we call this the Pontic. This has got a rectangular or a horizontal bar of metal over which the resin or ceramic will be veneered. If it is a ceramic, it has to be glazed finely and this will have a very good and a healthy tissue contact. This will end the session. Thank you very much for listening and wish you all the best.